Cheers to winter. Today we're talking about the Winter Paloma, a cocktail that blends the crisp flavors of grapefruit with a cozy seasonal twist. It's great for your holiday parties, and it's great for relaxing by the fire. So, let's get pouring. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and you're at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. This is the place where we teach you how to make tasty, fun, and easy cocktails. Your friends will think you're a professional bartender, but I'm not, so why should you be? We're going to make this in a shaker. We're going to start by putting our first ingredient in here, and that is going to be some cranberry juice. This is the seasonal part. And we're going to put in there 3/4 of an ounce. Following that up, we are going to put in there some freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to use 1 ounce. Well, we're getting down to the wire. Now, for the good stuff in here, we're using Arete tequila. It's a pretty new tequila brand for us. We've been trying it. We really seem to like it. Arete, of course, translates to excellence. We're going to use 1.5 ounces. Got to ice this up. And we're going to chill it down. Give that a nice 10-second shake. That's going to chill it down nice. Before we pour, we've got our highball glass, and I've pre-prepared that by salting the rim on that. It is still a Paloma, but we got to have salt on there. Fill the glass with ice. Get the ice out of the way, and we pour. With the Paloma, we need grapefruit. And for that, today we are using some Fresca. It's a grapefruit soda. You can use the sparkling water. You can use the Fresca. And we're going to top that off, about 2 ounces in there. And there we have today's cocktail, the Winter Paloma. Grapefruit, cranberry, they go amazingly well together. You've got that nice smooth tequila flavor in there. This one is going to give you all the warmth of the season and all the fun of the summer. Cheers, everyone.